Now for my take. Speaking of Donald Trump, he still leads the polls, with the most recent one being conducted by Fox News. Check out how it all shakes out 10 days after the first GOP debate. Donald Trump still on top, 25%. Followed now by Dr. Ben Carlson at 12% and then Senator Ted Cruz at 10%. It appears the real losers post-debate, Governor Jeb Bush, now fourth at 9%, and Governor Scott Walker, now sixth at 6%. The real winner, other than Donald Trump? Check out Carly Fiorina, jumping from 2 to 5%. It's interesting to note the only clear standouts after round one are the non-politicians, non-politicos, obviously striking a nerve with the American people. But I bet what's most surprising to the pundits is that even though Trump was the only contender on the debate stage to raise his hand saying he'd consider a third-party run, he's still killing it by a long shot with Republican primary voters, those you'd think would have been offended. So what does this all mean? I think it means that round two will no doubt be as popular as round one.